Hello, my beautiful fashionistas. Welcome back to Yvonne Winifred UG. So, this dress needs to be fixed. The owner is a little bit taller. She doesn't want this plunge neckline. She also doesn't want these sleeves. They are like off shoulder sleeves, they go around the arms. She wants straps that go over the shoulders from the front to the back, and she also wants this length a little bit increased. We want to add about 8 inches thereabout. So that is what we are doing today. So it is a beautiful LBD little black dress. Every woman needs a little black dress. It is stretchy and it has a zipper at the back. It's a beautiful dress, but we want it to be a little bit more elegant. It is really short, so we want to add straps here where you see this dot line here, there, and the other side. And we also want this part here a little bit more covered, and the length also needs to be increased, as I've said earlier on. So now guys, since this is kind of an off shoulder, so it starts from the 5-inch mark, then coming down we have so far about 30 inches, and we want this entire width of this dress also to determine how much fabric we need to be adding onto this dress. So we also want to determine how much length of the fabric that we have to add. So we need about 8 to 10 inches thereabout. So we want it to go up to like 38 inches. At this point it ends like at 30 inches. So I have this fabric. This is what she chose. This is what she wants. That it is a leftover from a certain project. These are the fabrics that I have for the straps. So they will be folded. One piece will be for the front, the other will be for the back, like one fold. So it is about 6 inches, and this was also about 6 inches. So it will be folded like this, and then like this, folded like this along the width and then along the length. So that is, and they will be fixed where this dot line is, just there. So my piece is about 4 inches in width, and to start sewing I'll go and sew at the wrong sides, and sew just by 1/4 inch like this there, and then I'll flip it onto the right side, then attach it where the straps are supposed to be. Then guys, for this other one, it is not all that much. If we had much we would have gathered it, but since it is little and this is the color she wants to add, I just want to make box splits along where the dot lines are for the front and where the center back line is for the back. So you can either choose to do pleats of any choices that you want, or you can even just gather up a fabric and just add it, just to add length onto any dress that you want to. So that is what we have so far. The entire width of this hem of this dress is about 32 inches, and my fabric is not all that much, but I have to work with it. So let me just show you what I'm going to be doing. So far I've finished sewing up these 2 straps, and I've attached this one already. I flipped it onto the right side and I just pinned it down. I haven't sewed it yet, it's just pinned, and I'm going to do the same even to the other. So even at the back here I've just pinned it where it's supposed to be. For the back I'll just sew. So from that zipper allowance of the center back, you can just measure 3.5 inches on either sides and place your straps. That is for a small size person, not for every size. You just determine where the dot is supposed to be. That is where you put your straps. So now guys, I've already also finished this other piece that I'm supposed to use to, you know, lengthen this dress. So this center seam, or the back center seam, is what I'm going to determine, and I will just make a box split just as simply as you're seeing me do, and then pin it down where the seam of this fabric that we're going to add is, and then attach it. Then for the front also, as I said earlier, I want to just make 2 pleats for the front, but if you want, you can make 2 pleats like for the front, and even the side seams you can also add some pleats there. But me, I decided to just do one pleat on either dart line like this. I think you're seeing the dart line there. So I'll also make another pleat this other side where the dart is supposed to be, so that they coincide like that. So the pleats are going to be a little bit bigger. This is just a sample of what I'm going to do. I've finished the hemline already by double folding by just half an inch. So let me just, you know, prepare everything and show you guys what we are going to be sewing. So that is it. Let me just, you know, pin everything off camera. So now this is it. I've pinned, I've made pleats, just 2 for the front and 1 at the back. I'm just going to sew along by 1 inch all around. And also for this plunge neckline, I just duplicated this part here and formed this kind of a triangular piece, and I added some allowances, and I will be adding it there. So simply, that is it. That is all that we're supposed to do. And afterwards, this is what I got. The straps are already added, the pleats are formed. This is what I added. So I joined this piece by just hand sewing inside there, so that the threads are not seen at the outside. I left these ones, though she wanted them to be removed, but I was like, they look nice. Then I added the straps where they're supposed to be, and this is how the dress looks like. I love the outcome. So at the back, I just sewed with the machine. I love this pleat at the back. It looks so nice. It looks really nice at the back, and also even at the front. So that is it, guys, about what I did to the dress. I just wanted to share it with you guys so that, you know, you can learn a thing or two. So remember to subscribe. Bye.